Hey people, welcome to Simple English with Amira. Hope everyone is doing good. So today in this video you're going to learn how to tell your daily routine.
My name is Amira. I am 22 years old. I have a daily routine that I follow. Every morning I wake up early and get out of the bed. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face with a cleanser to feel fresh. After that I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast for myself. I like to have cereal with milk and a cup of coffee. Once I finish my breakfast, I get dressed and go to my college. At college I attend different classes. I study subjects like maths, physics and chemistry. During my break time, I usually meet my friends in the cafeteria. After all my classes are done, I come back home. When I arrive home, I like to relax for a while. I sit on the couch and watch my favorite TV shows. In the evening, I help my mom with the household work. I clean the dishes and sweep the floor. I enjoy spending time with my family and helping them. After dinner I take a shower and get ready for the bed. Before going to bed I like to read novels or listen to music. It helps me relax and fall asleep faster. This is my daily routine. It may seem simple but it helps me stay organized and focused.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.